Hi, everybody. So tonight I have questions for you guys. I love going to the Chinese buffet down in Augusta because they have bean sprouts sauteed or fried or something. I don't know, but they are so good. So I've been looking it up, and there are so many different videos and suggestions and vlogs and all that kind of stuff out there on how to do your own bean sprouts. I figured they gotta be way low calorie and good for you. Um, I'm on my fast day, so of course all I'm thinking about is food. I do 2 fast days a week, Monday and Thursday, because I'm doing the 5-2 thing again. I haven't done it in a long time. So I really need to get back into it. So, of course, I'm thinking of really low calorie things to do, um, to eat, and stuff like that on my non fast days, because I don't eat anything on my fast days, because if I do, I'm just going to go ahead and eat, and it's just not going to be pretty. But, and it works really good. The 5-2 intermittent fasting, it works really good. But I want to start doing my own bean sprouts. So I've looked it up, and there's a lot of fun looking gadgets on Amazon and all that kind of stuff. And I know you don't need the gadgets, supposedly, because like you can do them in 2-liter water bottles of just plastic or what have you. I don't even know if I would get the right kind of beans for something like that. I think they're mung beans, but there's like 3 or 4 million different billion kinds of bean sprouts you can do. Like I said, the ones at the Chinese restaurant is my favorite, and supposedly they are mung beans that they're sprouted from. But like I've read up on some of it, and like people say they can go bad and stuff like that while you're sprouting them. But it only takes like 3 days from what I can see, and you get lots and lots and lots of them. I could eat them constantly and be hyper fixated on them for a long time. Heck, I'm hyper fixated on them now. I really like them. So I love the little, it's a texture thing. I love the little squishy splurt of liquid when you bite them in your mouth. Emma's looking at me like I'm disgusting. She has tried them. She gave them a chance.
Oh,
But she didn't like them, and she gave them a chance, so I'm happy. Um, but I really want to sprout my own bean sprouts to make like they do in the Chinese restaurant. I They have canned ones. I know they have canned ones. The fresh ones are really hard to find up here where I live. I don't know if I've ever seen fresh ones for sale. I mean, they have like little microgreen sprouts and stuff like that, but I want the mung bean sprout things. And like I said, they have the canned ones, the La Choy canned sprouts and stuff like that. They're not the same. They're not fresh. They're not. They're just not the same. They're not the same. They get kind of squishy in the can. I don't like that. But I want to make my own. So, like, do you have a favorite person that you follow that does them? Do you do them yourself? Can you tell me about them? Is there a way that you like to spread them where they don't like mold or mildew or whatever they do? I don't even know what they do when they go bad. I would assume mold. Um, yeah. But I want to know. Somebody out there tell me. Help. Okay. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.